A new Sephora Favorites kit is available now. The Holiday Sephora Favorites Hair Kit. The set includes 10 hydrating hair care products for your most fabulous hair. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. It does retail for $48, has a $121 value. Get the most fabulous hair yet with a full-size intense hydrating mask from Moroccan Oil plus travel size products from Juzu de JVN and Pureology. The set will include Amika Dream Routine Overnight Hydrating Hair Mask, 1 ounce. Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Mask, 2.5 ounces. We Treatment Mask for fine and medium hair, 1 ounce. Keratins Nutritive 8H Magic Night Serum Hydrating Treatment for dry hair, 1 ounce. Juzu Honey Infused Leave-In Conditioner, 2 ounce. Day Monsoon Moisture Mask, 2 ounce. JVN Complete Instant Recovery Heat Protect Leave-In Serum, 0.84 ounces. Pureology Hydrate Shampoo for dry color treated hair, 1.7 ounce. Pureology Hydrate Conditioner for dry color treated hair, 1.7 ounce. Herbe Gold Less Transformative Hair Mask, 0.5 ounces. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.